Hey Jared, this is Tim at Wood Finishers again. I just came across another an accounting issue. It only took us over a year to figure this one out. But when I run a GL income statement, I actually found a balance in this suspense account. But in our financial report writers, for some odd reason, it was not reporting this balance in the suspense account. And then in addition to that, I was having a heck of a time finding this issue. When I go into the GL distribution report, when I run this, I'm actually getting this report, and it is a detailed report, and it's only showing in this issue actually happened back in January. But when I run a detailed by account on the 999 suspense account, I'm only getting this one batch transaction here. So when I click in this 999, I'm getting our GL account here. I'm looking at the balances. I got to go back to 2018, and it shows here that we have an ending balance. Year-to-date debits and credits balance out, but then when I click on that, I'm actually showing more batches where we had different transactions other than this one batch 68. So the issue I'm having is I got a balance in the suspense account which actually totals this transaction from batch number 000006. So it's the sixth transaction we ever did in Adjutant, and as a result, we're having some issues. I'm not quite sure what's happening, because if you look here in the suspense account, we have an ending balance here of 0, but then all of a sudden year-to-date debits and credits in this next month don't add up. The year-to-date credits stay true, but then the year-to-date debits actually decrease once you roll into February. So it's an odd situation, because I really can't pinpoint down. This 502 is just a tax issue that we've dealt with, but I really can't drill down. And other than that one general ledger report, it does not show me that transaction anywhere. And the only way I was able to pick up on it, even in the financial report writers on our year-to-date P&L, I'm not seeing it. So I'm wondering, I know that this transaction is getting pulled up or picked up on some reports but not other reports, but I'm just wondering if that transaction's locked in there somehow, some way, or where. I just need to locate it and figure out how to get it off from out of our books. This one's weird. I do have that balance that's overstating our revenue, because it's a credit to the expense, but I really can't figure out why it's locked up in there. So I see it balances out all of the shenanigans that we did in this period. However, in the GL account, it doesn't show that 7,000 and change, or 7,000 something rolling through this account. It seems like part of it just disappears, and it is that batch 00006. And I will drill down on that batch. I can go find it again. And the transaction appears to be legit. The cash operations was supposed to be debited to accounts payable, but the account number, the 008 and 009, obviously were wrong, and that's the reason why I got kicked to the suspense account. That's fine. And we did pick up on it, and we did fix everything in the suspense account using a journal transaction right here. So the 0068 should have cleaned up everything we had in here, and we should have been rolling and running with a zero balance. But we are running according to the year-to-date income statement with a balance in that suspense account. So I don't know what to do from here. So I was hoping that you might have some resources, or if you know how to figure this one out. But this one's funny. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.